How many right triangles have a hypotenuse that measures 2x plus 3 meters and legs that measure 2x minus 5 meters and x plus 7 meters? What are the dimensions of the triangle or triangles? Step 1, we're going to draw and label a triangle. So we're going to start off with our hypotenuse, which is 2x plus 3. One of our legs is 2x minus 5, and the other leg is x plus 7. Step 2 is we're going to define all the variables. So we're going to have A equals 2x minus 5, and B equals x plus 7, and C equals 2x plus 3. Step 3, we are going to determine if there's a special formula and substitute in the given information. We're going to use Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so we're going to substitute. So A is 2x minus 5, and that's going to be squared, plus B, which is x plus 7, which is squared, equals C, which is 2x plus 3, and that's also going to be squared. And so let's go ahead and simplify this equation. So we're going to have 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 plus x plus 7 times x plus 7, which equals 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. And let's go ahead and multiply these out. We're going to get 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 plus x squared plus 14x plus 49 equals 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. And let's combine like terms. We'll get 5x squared minus 6x plus 74 equals 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. In step 4, we want this to be into standard form. So let's go ahead and move over the 4x squared, the 12, and the 9. And that's going to give us x squared minus 18x plus 65 equals 0. And so for our quadratic formula, we're going to have a equals 1, b equals negative 18, and c equals 65. And we're going to use the discriminant to figure out how many right triangles we're going to have. So we're going to have b squared minus 4ac. So we're going to have negative 18 squared minus 4 times 1 times 65. And this gives us 64, which is positive, so we're going to have 2 triangles. Step 5 is we're going to factor or use the quadratic formula. So a quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's go ahead and plug in. We have negative 18 plus or minus the square root of negative 18 squared minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is 65, all over 2a, which is 1. And this simplifies down to 18 plus or minus the square root of 64 all over 2, and simplifies even further to 18 plus or minus 8 over 2. Step 6 is normally where we set equal factors to 0, but we're just going to solve. So we're going to have x equals 18 plus 8 over 2, and x equals 18 minus 8 over 2. So we can have x equals 13 or x equals 5. And so we're going to check our answers and we're going to plug them in and find what our dimensions are. So if we plug them into 2x plus 3, we're going to get 29 for the first one for 13. And then if we plug them in for 2x minus 5 for 13, we're going to get 21. And if we plug in for x plus 7 for 13, we're going to get 20. And let's do it for 5. So 2x plus 3, if we plug in a 5, we're going to get 13. For 2x minus 5, we're going to get 5. And for x plus 7, we're going to get 12. So our dimensions are 29, 21, and 20, 13, 5, and 12.